What's going on, everybody? Mike Hill Hobbies. I just got an awesome package in the mail from Onforu. Onforu makes some really awesome, like high quality lights, and this is their 4-pack of their black lights. Comes with all the mounting hardware, comes with the lights, of course, and it comes with the mounts. Now these are 15.5 inches wide by 1 3/4 inches across the light. And then height from the bottom of the mounting bracket to the top of the light is 3.5 inches. They're a full metal construction, casted base, nice lens cover across the top of the LED lights. Let's open them up and check them out here. These are 27 watts, so they are really, really low on the amps. It's gonna be like 0.2 something amps to use these. Very nice. You got your safety guide. You got your preparation, your product manual here. These are the CTB27 UV lights. The link to get these will be in the description below. Also, there will be a 10% discount for you. Onforu sent that to me, so I can extend that to you. You get 10% off your order. So you got your mounting hardware. This is all of your inserts and screws there. You've got your mounting hardware from the light to the actual bracket, plus the Allen key. And you've got these really nice brackets here for each light. You got one on each end. These are the brackets you're gonna get. You're gonna get one of these for each end of the light. These are like the lights that I had on my side-by-side. They are really high quality, really nice light. These are a step above when it comes to black lights. So you got all kinds of foam inserts in there. Each one has their own cord, and you got your own power button right there on the cord, and they're all individually wrapped. Very, very nice lights. I mean, these are like high quality. It's got a really nice coating on it. It almost feels like parkerizing. It's not parkerizing, but it has that kind of feel to it. Tons of LED lights in there. It says right here, caution, high temperature. Do not have these lights anywhere where you are concerned with heat, because these are going to get warm. These lights are not made for everyday purposes. They are simply made for decorational use. They're made to create an atmosphere, an ambiance, something like that. Perfect for Halloween. Black light, anything that's going to glow under a black light. Of course, even if you don't have stuff that glows, black light just looks cool, especially for Halloween. So you got 4 of these total in here. Each one's individually wrapped, and they are all really nice. Every single one of these is just top of the line quality. They're all exactly the same. Let's go ahead and get one of these on a mount and see just how this looks. So you got a bracket for each end of the light. It's gonna go right there just like that. And you've got an Allen head screw for each end, and you got your Allen key right here to thread those in. Each one is already pre-threaded on the ends, so you just need to line up your bracket right here with the screw and thread it right in. Nice and easy. Now once you get your brackets on there, you just figure out the angle where you want this light, turn it to that angle, and then you just tighten it up with that Allen screw. You can go all the way facing that direction to all the way facing the opposite direction if you have the mount just straight up like that. So very, very nice lights. I'm gonna go ahead and just angle it straight up for now and tighten it up, and we'll go ahead and test these out in here. I'll wait for it to get dark outside, and then we'll get some stuff that glows under a black light and really check these out. All right, let's turn these on and check them out. They are very bright, very, very cool looking. I'm just gonna aim them that way for a second. I know that's gonna distort the camera. Wow, very, very nice light. This is an extremely good quality black light. If I take the safety manual here and just put it up, you can see how that's glowing. You can see how this doll shirt is glowing right here. This is extremely nice. The quality is just second to none on these. I really, really like these lights. I'm super excited. They sent me a 4-pack. You may want to go ahead and get more than that. The quality is so nice, and being that they're LEDs, these are just going to last so much longer than traditional tube black lights. This thing is awesome. Look at how that light works with that reactive paint. Very, very cool. Such a cool effect there. Now I have these posters that I picked up. You put them together and it's like a big banner, but man, do they look sweet with a black light. Look how them colors pop. This thing is really nice. Let's check out the other ones. I think I got 2 more here. Wow, that black light makes such a huge difference. Yeah. Okay, I got 1 more here. Get this one undone here. Dang, look at that. I mean, this is just a small indication of how cool these black lights are. I got all kinds of ambient light coming in here and it still looks amazing. I mean, that is so awesome. Definitely loving this. And I've got the black lights here in the garage. Look how this little nun animatronic glows with that black light. And I got the reactive paint on these clown heads and that pumpkin right there. Looking fantastic. The quality of these lights are second to none. I mean, they really are top of the line black lights. So much better than the old school tube lights. These are just as good as the type of lights that you would put on your UTVs or your side-by-sides. The mounts are really nice. Full metal construction. That is the 4-pack Onforu Black lights. Top of the line, top quality, comes with the mounts, everything you need. Plug it right in. It's got the switch on each light for you. Very, very nice quality. Absolutely recommend these. If you need some black lights for your Halloween display, any kind of spooky display, any kind of party, any kind of reactive black light paint, these are perfect. These black lights are going to last you years and years. The quality of the components on these are top of the line, so they are built to last. Don't forget to check the description down below. There is going to be a link there for you. You're going to save some money Onforu. Pass the discount code to me to pass on to you so you can save some money and get some really awesome lights. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll check you on the next one. Bye now.